Today's 70-degree weather is wiping out the last of the February blizzard, but it's also creating flooding problems. KMBC9's Martin Augustine is live with the story. Martin?
Well, Laura, it's hard to imagine how these weak little snow piles back here could be causing some sort of flooding issues. I mean, look at this snow pile here. It used to be 5 or 6 feet tall and it's just withering away, but it's happening with this snow disappearing so fast. You only have to look toward Johnson County, Missouri, which received some of the heaviest snowfall of the region, where 2 roads are closed, these sections of 23 Highway and Route E, thanks to the swollen Blackwater River.
Impressive to observe, impossible to miss. And for Dominique Gaither,
this is the first time I actually get to see it this bad.
Incredibly inconvenient. Her photos of the Blackwater River swallowing up this section of 23 Highway, serving as a reminder of how a long commute to work just lost its shortcut.
Kind of hard because I have to go around, take Warrensburg through, what is it, 13? 13 to get to work now. I have to leave early now.
Her routine's thrown off due to the rapid melting of an enormous amount of snow. The early February blizzard dumping nearly 2 feet of snow on these farm fields. It only took a few days of warm temperatures to overwhelm this corner of Johnson County, Missouri, which is no stranger to flooding.
In fact, it happens enough around here that if you take a look at this road closed sign and most others in the area, you can see that it's on hinges so that it can be flipped down when the road is closed, but when the water recedes, it can go back to being a mileage sign.
But don't count on that for a while.
Oh, I figured it'd be pretty deep down there.
Says Eric Tiemann, who farms nearby, having seen the flooding many times before. He knows it puts everywhere he needs to go much farther off.
It makes everybody take a nice little detour, probably 18 miles or so.
This section of Route E, a few miles to the west, also closed due to the snow melt, although it's beginning to recede. But if the water's going down here where it's flooding 23 Highway, you'd have a difficult time knowing it, if it's happening at all.
One sign the flooding down there might stick around for a while. A lot of the ditches and creeks still have some snow left that has yet to melt.